Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still dealing with some mostly cloudy skies out there at the moment with ceilings around 3,000 feet. We'll keep a slight chance of seeing a shower, maybe a thunderstorm as we go throughout the day and into the evening. But otherwise, a more dry day today for our Wednesday. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we still have that boundary that's lingering in the region, fairly stationary at the moment. Seems to be kind of creeping its way back south towards Wallops, but we'll be kind of jostling back and forth as we go throughout the day today before finally lifting north and dissipating later into the overnight. But here you can see there's more activity off to the west, still firing off in just a few or a little bit of scattered activity and closer to our region at the moment. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we do have westerly winds through the column with a peak wind at 20,000 feet of 41 knots. The freezing level is at 15,000 feet. Quick check of the local radar. We can just see a few light returns. The showers that were on the radar earlier have moved east of Ocean City and off the coast. Otherwise, just some light returns in the region at the moment. Take a look at the current visible satellite. Plenty of cloud material through the area along that boundary, and you can see some of that shower activity off to the west with those bubbling clouds out there. But otherwise, wind's fairly light. Will be a little variable with this boundary continuing to jostle back and forth just north of the area, but staying light as we go throughout the day today. Look at the high resolution short-term model for the next couple of days. Again, expecting a few isolated to scattered showers, chance of those passing through the area as we go throughout the day today with a slightly better chance, but still a slight chance as we go into the evening and overnight hours. And then things should dry out and should see some clouds clear out as we get into our Thursday, with Thursday being starting off mostly to partly cloudy. This model indicating a little activity later in about mid-morning for our Thursday morning. We'll see if models start to converge on that, but at the moment, expecting things to dry up after the midnight hour this evening. And then again, as we get into our Thursday, starting off partly cloudy, and we'll see the heat kick back up for our Thursday. We'll have we'll see a return to the hot, humid conditions. Could see some heat index values higher as we get into Thursday in the next couple of days, but should stay mostly on the dry side. Maybe a very slight chance of seeing something pop up, and then a slightly better chance as we get into the evening hours Thursday evening and into the overnight. And then we'll see things dry out again briefly as we'll have another weather system moving into the area Friday afternoon and into the evening. We'll have another boundary dropping through, another hot and humid day as well for Friday. And then as we see those showers and storms start to approach the area by late Friday morning. Starting off Friday morning, zooming out, looking at the long-term forecast, we see this boundary start to drop into the area through again, late afternoon, evening, into the overnight hours Friday, bringing us a chance for some more scattered to more widespread showers and storms pushing through the area. It looks to continue to be the case that this boundary will push south of the area by Saturday morning, keeping things fairly dry for our Saturday and into the first part of Sunday, and then lifting back north a bit later in the evening Sunday, bringing us another chance for some showers as we get into Sunday evening and lingering around into Monday. And then once we get to our Tuesday, it looks like things will dry out a bit, if at all temporarily, as we might have some more disturbed weather moving in for the middle of the week. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart, do have yellow for precip through midnight today, and then yellow for lightning as we get into the afternoon hours. Expecting a high into the upper 80s today with westerly winds, 8 to 13 knots. We'll see those winds turn more southwesterly as we get into the morning hours for our Thursday with a low of 76, and that'll help usher in some more warm to hot and humid conditions for our Thursday. We do have a yellow for the heat index above 100, but at the moment it looks like we're going to stay below that 100 degree level, expecting values 95 to 100. Otherwise, tides are running normal. As we look at the next couple of days, Thursday's looking, starting off mostly becoming partly cloudy, a hot and humid day. We'll likely see a heat advisory for tomorrow, as we'll have heat index values expected to be 100 to 105 degrees. Very slight chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm with a high of 93. We'll have that slightly better chance as we get into the evening hours and overnight hours for Thursday evening. Partly cloudy and warm for Thursday night with, again, that slight chance of showers and storms. Expecting a low of just 77, so fairly warm evening. We do have yellow for precip and lightning. And as we get into Friday, we'll have partly cloudy day, hot and humid, starting off with heat index values near 100 to 105 again. A good chance for those showers and storms to move into the area late afternoon and into the evening hours. So we do have orange for precip and lightning, and then a yellow for those reduced ceilings and visibilities. Expecting a high of 91, so just a couple degrees less than tomorrow. Tomorrow looking to be the hottest day of the week, but still have high heat index values ahead of that front moving into the area. Looking at the extended forecast, after we get through the showers and storms Friday evening, looking at about a 60% chance of that happening. We'll see a low of 74. And as we get into Saturday, again, looking mostly dry with a mostly partly cloudy day, high around 86, so back to seasonable temperatures for this time of year. As we get into Saturday evening, expecting a low of 70. Sunday's looking to start off dry with a high of 85 for our Sunday, and then we'll have a slight chance of showers and storms moving into the area into the evening and overnight hours, depending on what that boundary does after it pushes through and stalls out. Could be lifted back north by our Sunday evening. And as we get into Monday, we'll likely see those showers and storms lingering around in the area, so we'll keep a chance for some showers and storms for our Monday with a high of 85. And as we go into Monday evening, expecting a low of 73, and things look to be warming up towards the middle of the week as we get into Tuesday with a partly cloudy day, high in the upper 80s, around 89 to 90. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.